everybody, it's Michael here today, and we're going to showcase to you something cool from Smithii, the new SUI market maker bot. Let's dive in. So first of all, what we're going to have to do first is we want to go to the tools.smithii website, and we want to make sure we are on the SUI chain and our wallet is of course connected. So now where will we find the market maker bot? It is right here on the left side called the market maker. Once we are there, we have the following options to use as such as your goal, which is either to boost your token, and this option boosts the market makers and volume of your token in an organic way, or number 2, target price and bumps. This bot will trade the token organically until you reach your target price. So to first of all start this off, we're going to use the boost token. So for research purposes only, we're going to use a token we saw that just pumped out now called Launch Bossu, which is on the SUI chain. So first of all, the most important thing what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take the pair or the labs here, which is listed under. We're going back to the website now. Once we're at the website, we're going to put here in coin type address. And so now you can also put a little bit of here some spice into how you want your bot to work. So you either have your how much market makers you want to generate. You can have 100,000, all up to you, but you must always you remember that it is from 200% to 500% of the makers you currently have. So how much volume you want to generate, you can also put in there. But also for a start, we're going to drop here 7 SUI into this, and how much SUI we want to spend, 1.5. So how much minutes you want the bot to run for, you can also edit it there as much as you want. But for this sake, we're going to put it here for 5 minutes. That should make it sound cool and look cool. All right, we're going to start the bot now. We're going to do a few transactions. So now success, the bot has started. Now, of course, we're going to dive into our other tool, which is the target price and bumps, which is basically trade the token organically until you reach your target price. So for instance, here it's already locked in with the same address, and now you can have your how many bumps you want the token to have. So for instance, we're going to leave it here to 10, and the final result might not be 100% accurate, of course, but it is 90%, 98% chance probability. So how much SUI do we want to spend? So for this test, we're going to use here 2.6. And how much makers you want to generate, 100. And now over the course of the bot to run, let's put it there over the course of 5 minutes or 4 minutes. Let's just put it back here. We're going to now start the bot. We're going to pay a quick gas fee and of course the fees that needed to be done. Now success, the bot has already started. So we can now go and dive into it and check, of course, the bot is starting and it is already working its way forward. Great. Now we can actually check out, if we go on a 1 minute here timeline, we can see it's going to be starting to make some bumps already. So let's just cut that out. So as we see now, it's already doing the trades, it's already making the bumps for us. These might be minuscule small amounts, but once you put in their big amounts, we will have such activity happening on the chart, like as you see this. And that's usually to keep your token alive or to showcase that it's actually something is happening on the chart, which generates hundreds of wallets and they keep on trading for you, showcasing that your project is alive and well. So the final option is also the advanced bot, and this is for people which are truly knowledgeable in the way of how market makers work, and I would only recommend it to those which are only advanced in the way of market making. So guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do like what we do here, please drop a like, follow, subscribe to us, drop a comment, say hi. We always reply back to you guys, and we hope that you've learned something new and cool today, how to do market making on Smithii tools. I've been Michael, it's been a great day to host this video for you here, and we'll see you in the future. Bye bye.